Sugar Free Oatmeal Brownies. They're healthy and delicious. Oh yeah. Homestead kitchen living. Let's make cooking fun again. Let's break out our trusty food grinder and grind up a half a cup of the oatmeal. Add our ground up oatmeal to the mixing bowl. Now add half a cup of cocoa to the mixing bowl and half a cup of monk fruit sweetener. 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and give that a mix. Now add 3/4 of a cup of Greek yogurt to the pan. Add some vanilla extract, a couple tablespoons of milk, and mix that all together. Add 3 eggs to the batter and mix that together. While we're mixing the brownie batter here, I'd like to explain that I feel the oatmeal is healthier for you than the white flour, and the monk fruit sweetener is diabetic friendly, so that's a win-win. Time for a taste test. Let's add some more monk fruit sweetener. One final taste test. Now that we're done mixing, we're going to pour the brownie batter into a 5x9 baking dish. Smooth that all off and into a 375-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Cut the brownies apart. Grab one brownie and enjoy.